everyone, this is Samantha from Bella Creations. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Intarsia / Fair Isle knitting purl side. So we have our first row done, that was on the knit side, and now we're going to go and purl using the same technique. So here, this is the stitch that is now going to be white for the purl side, but on the first row it was black. So we secured it. We secured the white on this stitch that we just did on the row before. And so now all we have to do is make it with the white. But we want to bring this over so that we don't get our yarn twisted, and we can just bring this up from behind, from underneath, whichever way you look at it, and just make that first stitch a purl. And so we purl however many stitches we need. So for this part, it's going to be 5, and this is the last one on that black, and that's done. We can purl this, or pull this tight. It's just the first stitch that we made. So now this one is a black. This is where the Fair Isle technique comes in. You want to insert the hook, spread these stitches out here, bring this black over, and you're just going to knit it like you normally would. You want it to be loose enough to where if you pull it, it can carry across and it doesn't bunch up, but not too loose that it hangs down, and then it'll make this stitch really loose. So we've made our first one, and we're just going to secure the white the same way we did on the knit side. We're just going to twist it over, twist it back under, and hold that down, and just keep on purling our main color until we get to the next polka dot, and we're going to use that yarn. So this yarn is done, and when we're done with that, we can untwist all these, because you're really going to do a lot of twisting with the yarn, and you want to keep it as untwisted as possible. So you can just keep this to the side and continue working with your main color all the way across until you get to the next little dot here, and you're going to do the same thing you just did here. And that's how you do the purl side.